Forensic photography. Capturing the truth. Forensic photography, also known as crime scene photography, plays a pivotal role in the field of forensic science. It involves the methodical documentation of crime scenes, evidence, and victims through photographs, providing an unbiased, visual record that aids in the investigation and prosecution of criminal activities. The primary goal is to capture images that accurately represent the scene without any alteration or interpretation, ensuring they are admissible in court. A forensic photographer must possess not only technical skills in photography, but also a deep understanding of forensic principles and procedures. They are trained to meticulously document various aspects of a crime scene, including the location, the position of evidence, and any signs of struggle or injury. This comprehensive visual documentation helps investigators piece together the sequence of events leading up to, during, and after the crime. Photographic evidence is crucial in corroborating witness statements, identifying suspects, and reconstructing the crime scene. High-resolution images can reveal details invisible to the naked eye, such as fingerprints, blood spatter patterns, and tool marks. Furthermore, forensic photography is instrumental in providing a permanent record that can be re-examined as new technologies and methods emerge. In court, forensic photographs serve as compelling evidence that can substantiate testimonies and expert analyses. The ability to visually present the scene and evidence to the jury enhances their understanding and assists in delivering justice. Therefore, the precision and accuracy of forensic photography are paramount in the pursuit of truth and the administration of justice.